today I thought we'd do something a little bit different and take you into my little gym in the community, and we'll do a little bit of weight training today, and then we'll go to rebounding, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna pick up the light weights today, the 5 pounds. And if you have a bench, you can either sit on the bench or you can stand. And we're just going to start with a little bit of a bicep curl, double bicep curl, or you can do single. We are engaging the core also like we do on the trampoline. We're engaging the core, slight bend in your knees to take the pressure off the back. So we can do left and right. You can also do to the side, working a different part of the arm. You can turn it around and do the hammer curls, facing forward. Do about 8 reps of those. And then rest. You can put those down and rest just a minute, and then you can pick them up, do another set, or if you need to go a little bit higher, we can go to a little bit higher if you're ready for that. I started with 1 pound, I went to 2 pound, 3, and then 5. And in the gym here, I don't see 8 pounds, so I'm gonna do the 10 pounds. I'm gonna pick up the 10 pounds and do a couple of those reps. So bicep curl, bicep curl. Just a few of those. Since I'm not used to the 10s yet. Now, when I used to have a personal trainer years ago, I used to be able to do the 30s. Okay, and then you're going to put those down and you're going to rest. Okay, and then the next set we're going to do is we're going to work on the tricep. Okay, so I'm going to get the 5 pounds, go back to a 5 pound. And I'm going to put my foot on the bench, and I'm going to keep my arm close to my side and do a tricep kickback. Five, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now you're going to switch to the other side. Keep it close to your side and kick back. Squeeze the tricep. I'm also engaging the core so I don't put any pressure on my back. 6, 7, 8. Again, we want to set that down. We're going to rest. Now, you remember, you will repeat all of these, but the next one we're going to do, overhead press, tricep extension overhead with just 1. So we're going to move that back here. Do it a little bit to the angle. Just a little bit of arm work today. 6, 7, 8, okay? So you're going to rest. In between sets, you want to rest, and then you can go back and pick up the weights. So we did biceps, we did triceps. Now, I want to do a chest press. So I'm going to grab the other 5, and I'm going to go down on the bench. Okay? And I'm going to put my feet up on the bench. and I'm going to press up. It's actually, you can do it this way, or you can do it this way. So you start with the light weight first, and then you can gradually go up on the weights. 7 and 8, okay? There we go. And that is a basic workout with using 5-pound weights, 10-pound weights on the bicep curl for today. And then we're going to move on to the mini trampoline next. All right, now, so we just came from the gym and we're going to finish on the rebounder with just a few steps. So let's get started. Wow, come on, just shake it out. Basic bounce. Out and in. Pop the legs up. Narrow bounce. Remember, we're engaging that core. Push the arms up. We did upper body at the gym. Now we're doing a little bit of work with the lower body. Jumping jacks. And these aren't high. You're pressing down. You're rebounding on the mat. Push. Good. Heels. And scissors. Surf. Push the hip out. Other side. And push it away. Push. And 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. Good. All right. Basic bounce. Finish it off with this song. Good. Shake side to side. One more song. All right, ready? Knees up. Working on the heart, cardiovascular health, lymphatic system. Bounce and pull. Lift that leg, bounce and lift. Good. Now, let's do some kicks. All right, good. Jump side to side. Good. Slow it down. And carefully step off. And that's it. Thanks for joining me today. We finished off our workout. See you next time.